Today I want to talk about organization. This is a key to any good speech. You want your speech to flow. In order for it to flow, there has to be a fairly tight organizational scheme. Now look, here's the thing. The scheme you use is the scheme you use. In other words, it doesn't really matter so much how you organize the speech, but it does matter that it in fact has a clear pattern and that the people to whom you are speaking understand the pattern. In other words, if you're going to organize a speech chronologically, where you start from the beginning of some event and work your way into the future, or work your way back, right? You work your way back from the event. Whichever way you would want, that would be a chronological means. That's fine. Okay, if you want to use a topical organizational pattern, or you want to use some other organizational pattern, fine. Be consistent, stick with it, make sure that it's clear that you are getting from point A to B to C, and that you're flowing in and out of your points in a logical and consistent and understandable way. And so making sure that your speech is organized will help eradicate any number of other potential flaws. For instance, maybe you're not the most effluvious speaker that there is. Okay, maybe you don't have all the bells and whistles in terms of your hand gestures, in terms of the manner in which you speak. Your voice isn't the greatest, any of those things. Well, so what? If you give a well-organized, thoughtful speech, it can make a world of difference. So make sure whenever you're ready to talk that you understand where you're going, and that you understand where your speech has been, and that you understand that you're trying to get from the beginning, the introduction, to the end, all right, to your conclusion.